For admission, item numbers 1 to 3. Yes.
Please, your lordships. Here, there is for the respondents, private respondents. However, the leading counsel has some difficulties, so kindly list this after 3 weeks.
Okay.
There should be no objections.
MS. So, your good name, I always forget.
COVID secretary.
Covid Sakra.
Yes.
Learned Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. C.T. Jamil, Learned Senior Counsel for the respondents, and seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Obligement.
For admission, item number 4.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes,
My lord,
yes, wait, man. Okay. Yes,
I'm representing the newly impleted intervener, petitioner number 2, and we are yet to file our
petitioner,
number 2.
whether that amended course title has been filed.
Yes, your lordship, we filed it on 11 March.
Amended, you are for the intervener.
Lordship, yes, lordship.
Intervener as a respondent.
No, petitioner number 2.
Where is your application?
Lordship, we have 5, IA 5 of 2025,
So,
and by order dated,
no, madam.
yes,
That application for the amended course title, where is that?
Your lordship, we filed it on 11 March, but
11 March.
yes, your lordship.
You're the petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
No, you are, I think, you are not giving us the correct submission. The intervener is respondent number 8. Not petitioner number 2, and you cannot be. Correct, Ma? You are number 8. Yes. Only when brother pointed out, I came to know. If not, I was supposed to pass an order asking the registry to verify interest. So what is your prayer, ma'am?
lordship, we are yet to file our affidavit, so kindly grant us 2 weeks.
What about the others?
My lord, I filed my affidavit
Okay.
on
State.
behalf of state 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, what about
Your Lordship,
yeah,
for the respondent number 1, we haven't still filed our affidavit.
Mr. Mo, you are who?
12 for 6 and 7.
You filed your affidavit.
We are not a necessary party. In fact, we filed an IA for deletion of a name, but that was not allowed for.
NHIDCL?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it
The
is
action was.
between the petitioner, the state, and the union.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but let us keep your application alive. It is always good to see you. Okay. And with your big smile. You are for respondent number?
1, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1.
Yes, Your Lordship. Mentioning on behalf of the senior counsel, Yang Wati CG0.
the learned CGC for the respondent number 1 and MS
P. Mombini Izu.
P. Mohanbini for the intervener, for the newly implemented intervener. Are both allowed 3 weeks time, okay, to file their respective affidavit listed accordingly. For orders, item number 5. Return service report on respondent number 5 is still awaited. Who is for respondent number 5? Anyone?
Insurance company.
Insurance company.
Anyone?
No one has appeared. Lordship, because of the non-release of the claims from hospital by the insurance company. Because we are running the CHIs and APJ2I under the insurance model. The private doctor system that had in IA for vacation of the insurance auditor was passed by the court on 14th February. And the interim order was that the private hospital should not discontinue the service. They should provide healthcare services. No, this is a case where the insurance company is at default.
So how to secure their presence? Please advise us.
Lordship, the notice has been served a month back
Lordship.
and with the proper official address.
Hmm.
Lordship, the careless attitude of the insurance company in not responding to the notice shows their ill motives, Lordship, because they have not released payment till they to the any of the hospital. Now this has put the private hospitals in difficulties in running the hospitals. Lordship, I have been informed the reference hospital at Marble says the insurance is yet to release 9 CR. A hospital with claim of 9 crore, Lordship, how would the hospital run? We have been addressing this grievances to the insurance company. But they are absolutely giving a deaf ear to this. Also, the issue is this. We are running on insurance. We have cleared 100% of the premium. They have quoted the rate. We have paid the premium to them. It's the duty of the insurance company to make a claim of the hospital within 15 days. That is as per the law. Forget about 15 days first. It's taking months and months. And now what has happened is they are raising issues. Not
Nothing has been issued, but the court has. That consignment is a public procedure. The pre-consignment report, correct? Shows that is on.
Lots of one is that we are.
Please wait. See, the office note 24/3/2025 states that the service report on respondent number 5 is still awaited.
Yes.
So what is we direct the registry to track the consignment and submit to track the consignment and submit the report.
One, if I may get out. We have already officially communicated with regard to the dental service. in insurance. We have done personal loss, we have nailed them. This is the communication that we bring.
Lordship,
On
if,
release of claim. They are fully aware of this, yeah. They are fully aware. Because our communication is through mail.
Whether it will be possible, dusty service?
Privilege, Your Lordship. This answer my suggestion. If that notice is served by other way, means substitute notice population the local Delhi.
No, they are decent.
No, that court can give direction. And any leading paper which is
No, no,
available in
that,
the,
that option will come next. But now actually, office note says that a return service report on respondent number 5 is still awaited.
In fact, we have already intimated to the National Health Authority and IRDA also. They will call for a meeting. They're fully aware of this issue at the end. They are intentionally avoiding. They are not responding to our letters, our requests. Lordship, I placed a report one letter, 6 March. Actually, Lordship, I provided in the last petition, 6 March. Addressed to the Miss Smita Debarwal and Mr. Ravinder Kaur.
Whether they have received this or not.
Lordship, these are all sent through mails. We communicate through email. They are fully aware of it. And because of this, now the private office association, they have filed an IA, the private respondent number 6, for vacation of nature order to discontinue the services. The public are going to suffer lordship. And we have flagged the grievances. They are not even deploying personals here in the state to monitor.
Oh, how could you make an agreement with such an irresponsible insurance company?
That was true at open tender, national tender. They participated in the tender.
But you could have at least properly.
No, lordship, for initially there was no disruption in the payment of claims. There was no disruption. Suddenly one day they have raised an issue saying that there has been fraud. They have suspected fraud cases on those payments which they have already released. So we raised the issue to them. They don't have a mechanism to track or to detect any fraud. They just made a claim. And hospital made a claim before the insurance company, they have paid. Later they are flagging that there's a suspected fraud. That has been re-audited by our state, independent panel of doctors. We are engaged from the Nagaland Institute of Medical Science and Research, Medical College at Kohima. There was no fraud. Time and again, lordship, there have been meetings with the National Health Authority, the IRDA, and the insurance company, along with the Nagaland Health Authority Society. No positive response from them. No positive response. This is how people are going to suffer lordship. We understand the nuances of the private hospitals in lordship. And we are trying to address the issue in the national level. They never come in person whenever they are close for meeting. The matter, serial number 2, deployment of personnel at Kohima. They are not even deploying the staff.
Lordship. Fine.
Hmm,
Lordship, this is a matter of public importance.
we are not on that. We are.
Lordship, but if the insurance company, as stated by the my learned senior lordship, deliberate negligence, ignoring, and they have ulterior motive, your lordship, and if this
No,
honorable
but
court,
this is a code of law. We cannot do something
lordship,
just like without taking proper records. We cannot just do something like that. I heard MS.
Lordship,
Kiki.
Lordship, I'm for the respondent number 6, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, if I may be allowed to make certain submission.
No, not today.
Lordship, if Lordship may kindly hear me, Lordship.
No, not today. You are on
Lordship,
you are on the vacation of stay.
Lordship,
Not
yes,
today. Next. Well,
Lordship, Lordship, if
Please
Lordship may
speak.
kindly hear me.
We have heard you. We know your grievances. The state government has a big due, but not today. Till we complete the service, I think let us wait. Heard MSK Kiki. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Im Tim Sung, Learned Additional Advocate General Nagaland for the respondent number 1 to 3, Mr. N. Muzui, Learned Standing Counsel, NHPS for the respondent number 4, Mr. Joshua, who is for
Lordships,
Mr. Joshua Shakhi, Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr. Joshua Shakhi, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 6, and Mr. Yang Rawati, Learned CGC for the respondent number 7. This letter is submitted through the email of
The FGI, the Future Genetic Insurance. We sent a hard copy also, but immediately we send back it. So that there's no further delay.
office note dated 24/3/2025 states that return service report on respondent number 5 is still awaited. Stop. Registry to track the postal consignment and submit report. Stop. Mr. N. Muzi, the Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Counsel for the respondent number 4 submits that the hard copy of the letter dated 6/3/2025 no, not hard copy. The letter dated 2025 6/3/2025 has been written to the respondent number 5. And the same has also been communicated through email. However, there is no response from the respondent number 5. This court, considering the urgency involved in the case, fixes the case again on, we'll just give next week.
lordship.
on 2/4/2025 for necessary orders.
Lordship, to clarify this one.
Yes.
If I may be permitted, Lordship, the respondent number 4 to officially communicate this court order. So that there can be technical.
The learned standing counsel for the respondent number 4 is also allowed to officially communicate this order to the respondent number 5 in the course of the day.
Lordship, I may also be allowed to issue notice to respondent number 6 in respect of the IA 35. That is the insurance company, Lordship.
IA, okay. But Mr. Sensor, learned counsel for the petitioner, for the applicant. The application has been filed under Chapter 4A, Rule 7A, Clause 2 of the Gauhati High Court Rules 2022, read with Section 151 CPC, praying for vacation / modification / alteration of the interim order dated 14/2/2025 and the subsequent order passed therein, extending the interim order. Issue notice returnable on 2/4/2025. Mr.
Lordship, they said interim, if it may continue until the next returnable date.
In the main, okay, in the main, not this is in the main. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. And in the IA, what was that, ma'am? Returnable on 4/2/2025. 2/4/2025, yes. MS Kiki, learned counsel accepts notice on behalf of the opposite party number 1, Mr. M. Timsu, learned additional Advocate General Nagaland accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 234, Mr. N. Muzui, learned standing counsel accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 5, opposite party number 5, and Mr. So-and-so on behalf of Mr. Yangarwati accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 7. Stop. No formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. The learned counsel for the applicant shall, however, serve the requisite copies of the application to the learned counsels when
Lordship,
Lordship, we have-
we have already said, Lordship.
okay, in the course of the day. Okay. Stop. Insofar as respondent number 6 is concerned, the learned counsel for the applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7 by
6.
upon respondent number 6 by
Lordship, within 2 days.
no by what means
By substitute registry, Lordship.
registry means we have fixed the case on 2nd.
What was speed post?
by registered post with AD within bracket speed post in the course of the day. Okay. Anything more?